Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find listing date on realestate.com.au. Now first is of course head over to the site and look for the property listing that you would like to check. So say for example, we would like to check this one. So just click on it. Now usually from the listing overview, when you scroll down to the bottom, you should see a section or text that says listed on with the date included. But if you can't find it, all you have to do is load this site or page in Google Cache. And to do that, first is copy the link to the property listing. Then in the new tab, head over to cachedview.com. Then here, just paste the URL that you copied. Now, once you're done copying the URL, you can choose between Google Web Cache or archive.org cache for you to be able to retrieve or use the older version of the site where you might also find the listing date of the property listing. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!